Hey guys, what is up? RedPandaMining here. How you guys all doing? I hope you're all doing really well and having a really great day. In this video, I'm going to talk about Ravencoin's new testnet that has just been operational and people have been putting towards their GPUs towards the new algorithm called KAWPOW. And yeah, throughout this video, I'm going to show you guys some hash rates on my 1080 Ti rig on KAWPOW, and as well talking about some other stuff, hash rates and maybe FPGA hash rates as well. Okay, so to begin this video, for people that don't know, Ravencoin is possibly going to be forking off the X16R v2 to the new KAWPOW algorithm, which is based off of ProgPoW. And you guys can see the reason why they're doing it is because the Ravencoin network hash rate, or the difficulty, is at an all-time high. It's due to either lots of ASICs or maybe FPGAs. I'm not sure. People are saying both. People are saying ASICs, and some people are just saying it's FPGAs. I don't know which one it could be. My gut feeling is ASICs, but we don't have any concrete evidence of what it could be, okay? But the Ravencoin team, or everyone in the community, is talking about changing the algorithm. And there is a tweet here I just want to mention from the Ravencoin project. They said here, reminder, there is no official authority for Ravencoin and this article isn't accurate. They're referring to this article on a website here on cryptonews.com, and it says here, Ravencoin doesn't announce algo changes, and no person or group has the ability or authority to change the algo. Anyone can fork, anyone can write the code, only users decide what to follow. So I don't know the whole process of the changing the algorithm, but I feel like Tron Black is like kind of spearheading that. So, but I guess the users will follow whatever the algorithm is being implemented, is wanting to be implemented. So in this case, KAWPOW. Now there are a few mining programs that we can use to mine on KAWPOW. So now recently, as of making this video 5 hours ago, Gminer just released the KAWPOW Ravencoin algorithm. And as well, there is the KAWPOW miner official one, which I'll have links down below, and you guys can download it and try for yourselves. And the testnet is the minermore.com. So if you go to minermore.com/pool/RVNT, I guess the T stands for testnet, and you can see here there's already people that are testing it right now. There's the batch file here if you want to use the KAWPOW miner. And if you wanted to use the Gminer, which I actually have already downloaded here, and you guys can see there's a lot of predefined batch files here, Gminer 2.04, and you can see Ravencoin here. If I right click open it, it already has the Ravencoin testnet here, minermore.com. And that's it. So I've already inputted my clocks here, the same clocks as the video that you guys just saw recently of my 6x1080 Ti hash rate video. And I'm going to add that to the spreadsheet here. So let's go ahead. I'm going to double click on this mine_Ravencoin batch file that's already been predefined. And let's see what kind of hash rates we get on KAWPOW. I think this is really cool. Okay, so it found all my GPUs. It's generating a DAG. Okay, so there's going to be a DAG similar to ETHash. From what I understand, KAWPOW is like an iteration of ETHash. It just has another implementation of ProgPoW added upon of ETHash. I don't know if I explained that right, but yeah. Okay, so there we go. We found some shares already, and it looks like the KAWPOW hash rates here from my 1080 Ti's, it looks like the whole rig is doing about 130 megahash at about 1087 watts in the software. I'm going to assume at the wall it's going to be probably 1200 to 1260 from what I was able to get on other coins here. Yeah, ProgPoW 0, I was getting 120 megahash at 1260. So this coin is a ProgPoW. But the KAWPOW, it looks like I'm generating a little bit more megahash, so 129. And this is at 68 power limit, plus 50 core, plus 300 memory, plus 70 fan speed. That can be whatever you guys want to keep your cards cool. Yeah, okay, that looks pretty good. 130 megahash. Oh, it looks like the power consumption jumped up to 1120 now. I kind of want to try to see if I can bump up my power to, let's do 75 power limit. And I'm curious to see Okay, so Gminer says here the OC settings changed, reset statistics, and I'm curious to see how much more mega hash we are able to achieve. We're probably going to use a little bit more power, but let's see here. It should come up in a second. Okay, so we went from about 20 mega hash per card to about 23.5. 0.6 mega hash. So 141 for the whole rig using 1200 watts. Okay, probably at the wall, it's probably close to 1400. And okay, that looks pretty good. So we've only gained about 10 mega hash for this whole 1080 Ti rig. And let's see here. Actually, I was looking at the network hash rate for the testnet, and it's only at about 1.07 gigahash. So like 1000 mega hash. So my rig here is going to be adding on another 15%, 13% of the network hash rate on the testnet. So that's pretty cool as of making this video. So I would love you guys to test this out. Please look at the links down below for Gminer or the official Ravencoin KAWPOW miner. And you guys can try this out. And oh yeah, thanks to CryptoMikel for letting me know about the Gminer update. They just recently updated this, so that's cool. Thank you, CryptoMikel. Okay, now my friends, what I want to now talk about is for some people that may be wondering, okay, so are there going to be ASICs or FPGAs on mining, possibly if Ravencoin moves to this new algorithm, KAWPOW, are there going to be FPGAs or ASICs? Now, I've heard and I've seen some numbers on just like FPGA Discord, Ravencoin Discord of people talking about Jungle Cats or the Forest Kittens. So that is a part of Squirrel Mining and BCU 1525 as well. So people have been saying that the BCU 1525 can get about, I think, 20 to 25 mega hash. And power consumption is going to be probably below 200 watts. And now the Forest Kittens as well, I've heard they can get 25 to 35 mega hash at about, I don't know what the power consumption is going to be for that. Probably 150, 200 watts under there. In comparison, okay, I wanted to let you guys know, in comparison to a GPU, okay, so you guys saw my 1080 Ti's here, about a $300 to $400 GPU. Gets about 23, 24 mega hash, depending on what power limit you're running on. Probably we can run 80 power limit. We can get 24, 25 mega hash at about 220, 240 watts. Okay, so not as efficient, but think about the cost of buying a Forest Kitten. And look at this, a Forest Kitten costs $2,000 USD at the moment, and you compare that to buying a 1080 Ti. And yeah, it's like 3 or 4 times, 5 times more than a 1080 Ti for a Forest Kitten. And same thing with a BCU 1525. Obviously, if you buy brand new, it's $2,000, but you can buy these used for about $800 to $900, and it would be about 2 times of what a 1080 Ti costs. Okay, so you can look at the efficiency for that, and you can see that leveling the playing field is. It's there. It's what the Ogata company or Christie has mentioned about KAWPOW, that it levels the playing field for all hardware, and relative to the cost of what hardware is, it's pretty good. Okay, so I feel like all hardware is able to participate, and no hardware is going to be having a higher advantage than another. Not by much, but in comparison to how much the hardware costs, you guys have to take that in consideration. A Radeon 7, I forgot to mention, can do about 30 to 35 mega hash as well. So similar to a Forest Kitten. And but a Radeon 7 currently is roughly about, what, $500, $400, $600, depending on what price you buy those Radeon 7s at. So I think the same amount of mega hash as a Forest Kitten currently, from what I've heard, okay? So anyways, my friends, that's all I wanted to talk about. The Ravencoin testnet is up now. Please, I would love you guys to try it out. And I know some people in the Discord have been trying it already. And yeah, as you guys can see, there's already a gigahash on the network. So links down below. The Gminer link is right here. I'll have it down below. Really easy. Just download it and double click on the mine_Ravencoin and you're going to be up and running on your NVIDIA. Okay, I forgot to mention that this is for NVIDIA cards only currently. There is a Linux KAWPOW miner, okay, for the OpenCL driver. I don't have a Linux machine I can try this on. I'm not very proficient on Linux, so if you guys are Linux gurus, feel free to try this out, the OpenCL on your AMD rigs. Okay, I'm wondering if this will probably work with Polaris cards. I'm not sure if it'll work with the new Navi cards, but let me know down below if you guys can get that working, and let me know your hash rate for your RX 580s. I've heard some people get about 8 mega hash on an RX 580, and 1070s were about 12 to 14 mega hash, and so on and so forth. Okay, so thank you guys for watching. Let me know what you think. Links down below, and I will see you guys in the next video. Have a good one, and peace out.